Bonjour tout le monde, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I would just like to chit chat with you and give you an update on myself and this channel. I've received Instagram DM messages from some people and I've seen little comments on the channel, and I'd just like to use this video to clear up everything. Now, a lot of persons have been DMing me asking me to do more videos on France, explaining things in France, vlogs in France and stuff like that. But as you know, right now, France is in confinement, so there's not much places I can go at this moment. I can't live within certain kilometers of my home. You're just basically allowed to go out and get necessary things and come back inside, and social distancing, of course. So I would like to do vlogs. I would like to take you guys places because I have ideas to do travel vlogs with you guys to show you around France and stuff like that. But at this moment, all of those ideas have been put on hold because, as I said, it's confinement. There's not much I can do about that. I've get messages asking me to do videos on like cost of living and stuff like that in France, provide information. And to be quite honest, I don't feel like I need to do Google level information videos. Like cost of living in France, you can just Google it. It's factual information. You can find that. But if you guys would like to know my own personal experience here living in France, that's what I'm more interested in sharing with you guys. I'll more likely be interested to show you and tell you what it was like for me living here, getting installed in my apartment, getting school, all the things that I am doing relating to my own personal life. But Google level factual information like cost of living and stuff like that, I'm not really interested in doing that. Just Google it. No disrespect. When I created this channel to basically give a raw, unfiltered version of myself, like a documentary, and things that I go through or things that affect me in my life. I created this channel to do a little bit of traveling, vlogging, discussions, whatever I am doing or I feel fit to bring to this channel. That's my idea when creating this channel. I want to create videos that I'm passionate about, videos that inspire me and I think would be inspirational to other people as well. I just started Make We Reason series with Father Epic from Father Epic TV. That is an Instagram live where we discuss serious issues going on around the community at the moment, especially in Jamaica at the moment. If you guys are interested in that, there will be the whole of that series that I see fit on my channel, and I will always do my own personal life, my own personal update, things that are happening around me in France. I'll take you on trips in France. I have like wine tasting ideas to show you guys, explaining cheese tasting, all of that lovely culture of France. I want to showcase that and bring it to you. But at the moment, my hands are tied. I have to just wait out the coronavirus and see what happens. Now, I don't know, before I start doing the Make We Reason series, if you notice, I wasn't really uploading videos a lot. And the reason why I wasn't uploading videos a lot was because I was going through really bad winter depression because it was the winter season, and even though the winter season had is now past, We are in spring at the moment, but the side of France that I live, even though it's in spring, we hardly get sunshine. It still feels like we're still having winter, because 2 days ago we were having snow and hail rain in spring, and I'm like, wow, it's spring and we're still having snow in spring. So the weather is kind of at the moment. So I'm still having anxiety and depression at the moment, because my future is uncertain at the moment, with the confinement and coronavirus that's happening. So basically, it's really mentally stressful and mentally draining, and I just try my best to find ways to motivate me and inspire me to push forward. That's the best I can do. This year, I would say, was the most difficult for me. Not really this year, but in November, December, January was the most difficult for me, because I've never experienced winter depression with confinement, and the two together is just crippling. It's something that it's very hard to talk about even now and really express myself, because I'm not totally 100% over it. Because there are days when I'm fine. Like today, I am fine. I get up and I want to make this video for you guys, because the sun is shining. Today is a very beautiful day. I've not seen beautiful days like this in a while. So my energy is up today. I don't know for tomorrow. I don't know for next week. So as soon as my energy is up, I'll get you guys videos out. I'll try my best to answer all your questions, everything that you guys send me to my Instagram DMs. I'll try my best to answer it for you. But yeah, Google level information, I'm sorry, but if you can Google it, I don't feel inspired to do such things. I'll definitely give you guys a video about what it was like to get installed here in France, because it's not easy to get installed in France. It's not like maybe in America, where you can go and find backdoor jobs and backdoor apartments and backdoor things. A lot of that is not really the culture here in France. To get an apartment here in France is very stressful. To open a bank account here in France, oh my god, like that even worse. So I'll definitely do a video explaining the process, because I think getting a bank account, getting my apartment and stuff like that, you guys would really like to know like what it really took for me to get that installed, because it take a long time, like definitely. So I'll give you guys all my experience from my perspective here in France. That's more interesting to really give. Anyway, this is just an update. Stay tuned to the channel. For those of you who stay with me and continue to support me and subscribe to me, I want to say that I really appreciate you, because I know that you guys are subscribed to me because you guys want different information. Maybe you guys want information on depression, what I go through, and maybe you guys want information on France, what it is like here. And I know that maybe the information is not coming to you as fast as you would like it, but just bear with me. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate it very much. Yeah, just stay tuned to the channel, and I'll try my best to get all the things that you guys need out to you as soon as possible. And stay tuned to my tourism, because we have some interesting guests with some very interesting stories that I will be sharing here. on this channel. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Bisous. Au revoir.